Hey y'all, hey, so I'm back with another video. This video I'm going to be doing some bomb twist on my daughter's hair. All the specs are going to be in the description box, so stay tuned if you want to see how her hair turns out. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame, heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Wrap a nigga like a motherfucking turban. Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of shit, but we really with the shits. Lame ass niggas always gonna be reaching for they hit. Smoke a nigga like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watch the way I'm dripping. Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame, heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they soft, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene. Play it smart, they don't know me, they just know what they see. What it costs to get flea, but this style ain't free. This that swag, this that splash, one wrong move, that's your ass.
Hey y'all, so right here you're going to see me pull the hair up at the bottom of the braid, only because I don't really like for it to be super tight or pulling at the bottom. So yeah, that's what I do. And I also just add the other two braids from both sides to this braid, and then I will crochet it into the actual braid that I'm on. So yeah.
Please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame, heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. Yeah.
And I just wanted to show you guys real quick that her braids are not tight at all. I do not like to braid really tight because I feel like it stops the hair growth process. So yeah, and then in the front where I did the really small cornrows, it's just so she can have some versatility when it comes to wearing her hair to one side or the other.
20 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walk in the building. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, they opponents and we won't stop till we all touch a million. Don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them. I'm living, taking the cause that was given. My blessings is already written. Wrapped little ribbon, putting ourselves in positions to making some major decisions. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's why they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back. Y'all ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back. Need more hands just to count that. Stay on my belly, I need me more breeze just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on a leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. Don't happen overnight. Work smarter with some sacrifice. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. Mix it up, now you got a slice. We bridging the gap, They want us to rap, so fuck we back. Hey, yeah. Drew need a plaque, we turn to the max, and we never lacked. Hey, yeah. Been in my bag, it's a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Hey, yeah. Came back for Vicky and I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back. Facts, ooh, double the racks. TD the bank, your CD's blank, your Cuban is link. Smoking that dank, pour up and drink, fill up the tank. Do you think I ain't the one, but I'm the one? Brutus out, he gon' dumb. You hear them drums, came from the slums, they know we the ones, yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us.
Hey y'all, hey, so back again, and just want you guys to know that the front of her hair where the small braids are, or cornrows, I do not put any spaces in between the twists because I want it to look fuller up front or in those areas, and I want it to look more seamless. So yeah.
At first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I gave you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming the worst, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when it get hard. I'm tired of going back and forth when we pissed off. Most of my friends done went through it and they stood tall. See, they gon' try and tell you what they think is good for you. Whole time they was plotting, man, I wish they was for you. You gotta watch your back, your front, your side, they disloyal. I gotta watch my crown, cause from birth I've been royal. And that's from the soil. Yo. Two strong-minded individuals. What happen when y'all both reach the pinnacle? Things start to get physical. What make it worse? The motherfucker live with you, talking what you didn't do and what they did for you. You just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you through the good and the bad times, made it pivotal. All them feelings that you hold inside, it will hinder you, so let it go. What you didn't do and what they did for you. You just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you through the good and the bad times, made it pivotal. All them feelings that you hold inside, it will hinder you, so at first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I gave you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming the worst, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back.
Hey y'all, it's late, but I'm almost done, but not quite done because I have ran out of hair. So we are going to continue this tomorrow so that I can, you see that, so that I can get some more hair to complete the look, and then we're gonna cut it and all of that. So stay tuned until tomorrow. Bye.
ISO Wendy's, where y'all from?
What I'm about to do, just give me a reason, babe. Just give me a reason.
Yeah, live free, speak your peace. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If
Baby
they ask
girl.
where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies. And these girls going wild cause they flashing they titties.
Look at
Watch
you.
your steps cause these blocks we shitty. We grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk
Baby
with me.
girl.
Let me show you what really go down. Fiends on the corner, every hood got a deli of crowns. Cops pull us over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City never sleeps, this the place to where hip hop was found. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we
Also,
holding up
guys,
the
if you
torch.
want
They
to take
ask where
these
I'm
twists
from, tell
out,
'em this is New
she
York.
took her
Look
twist
around,
out
as I'm
after
viewing
about
the
a
city.
month of wearing these, and the
Skyscrapers
hairstyle was
lights, fast
super,
life,
super
Manhattan
cute,
living. Cruise over
very full
downtown, welcome to
looking
the
and very
concrete, the
curly.
Nets to
That's a good
Barclays, the
hairstyle
Mets
to
to
do as
Yankees.
well when
Ubers
these
and yellow
get
taxis.
old.
And while my fitted with some butters, we her savvy. When tight jeans was baggy. From JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps, insomnia. Home of Junior Mafia, word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, yeah, yeah, like so. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, BK all day.